Welcome back, viewers. In the last video, we have checked out some of the applications that are available in Debian Multimedia. So in this video, we will continue further. So we have checked out the first two pages of the applications. Now we will go with the third one. So the five or more, four in row, all these are the genome game applications. So they are available in the standard desktop. So we will discount them. So Flowblade movie editor is there. So you can do movie edition using this. Then the fluids in DSSI is there. So you can see here workflow first run. So whenever you start the Flowblade, first you have to do the configuration. So the workflow presets are there, standard film style and keeping the existing workflow. So what we will do is the standard workflow has the move tool as a default tool and presents a workflow similar to the most video editors. And film style, the film style workflow has an insert tool as a default tool and employs the insert style editing. So this was the workflow in the previous versions of the applications and keep the existing workflow. So select this if you have installed new version and wish to keep the existing workflow. So we'll go with the standard only. So this is it. So this must be also some kind of non-linear video editor. So we will check out all these different video editors in or later videos. We can have series of videos on different applications, special applications for different use cases. So I will close this. You can see it here. A lot of tools like the audio mixer, tile, gimmick effects, media relinker are there. Sequencing tools are also added here. You can see it here. Project tools, view, edit, file tools, everything is there. It's very professional looking and professional featured application. So we will quit this application. We will go ahead. The fluids in DSSI, I think this is of some plugin only, so it won't open up. Then free touch TV is there. Yes, so free touch TV should come up on the screen. Meanwhile, we can click some more applications. The G jack clock is there. So here you can see this is the jack clock. So if you want to do some timing work with the jack clock or you want to check the jack latencies and all those things, you can use this. So I think the jack clock is not responding. So it will take some time or the memory is less because jack clock requires some real-time features. So basically you are going to use this for checking out the latencies and checking out the you can say time sequences or different. So what happens is in multiple uh, multi-track or multiple inputs are there or outputs are there, you will require the jack clock. So you have to sequence them. So the correct timing should be there. Otherwise, what will happen is the different multi-tracks will mismatch and the sound quality will deteriorate and the lip syncing and all those things will not work properly. So that for that you require the jack clock to make them sync. Multi-tracks should sync together using the jack clock. So this free touch TV, I think it is a online TV. So all list of different TV channels that are available all around the world will be shown here. Yes. So you can see these are the different channels it has searched on the from the web and you can install. So there are some language wise selections. For example, let us check out the English language. So these are the different channels it has found. So we can just add these channels to the playlist and add this. At least select one group. Okay, let us select this and we add this. Yes, so it is adding the channel group English to the web TV. So Free Tux TV is a web TV or online TV. You can watch the online channels from internet using this. So I'm going to close this. We'll force quit this. So jack clock is not responding. Let it be there. Jack transport. Let us check out this. So jack transport slider. I am not much knowledge of this how it exactly works because I don't do multi-track recording. I don't require jack. I just record my YouTube videos using the inbuilt microphone. So this I cannot comment, but later on some other video I will surely tell you about the jack transport slider, what exactly it is. So it is something regarding the passing of the audio from the jack. So whatever recording you do, it will go to the jack, and through the jack it will go to the sound synthesizer or any recording video or audio application. So it is to control the passage of the recorded sound or the recorded track from the jack or the microphone or the multi-input instrument to the audio processing of your Linux system. So that is where this jack control is used, or the jack transport is used. The Gerbera, what is that? Let us check out. It is also taking some time. Can go ahead. What is Giada? Let us check out. Your sound card isn't configured correctly. Check the configuration and start. So I think this is due to the virtual machine. So we are running this system in virtual machine. That's why this issue is coming up. But it is, you can see it is some configuration tool or what. Let us check out. Yes, so it is some kind of MIDI sequencer only. You can see it here. The MIDIs are there, plugins are there. So it is also used for audio recording only. So Gerbera, you can see it, the connection is not working. The online website is not available. The UI is disabled. So it is a web-based application, but the Gerbera's UI is disabled. So there might be some issue with the configuration or some other issue with the net, or the GUI website web page is down. Now Gmerlin player, let us check that out, and other application we will Gmerlin recorder. So the player and recorder is there. Both applications will work in sync with each other to first record the video and then play the video. You can see it here. So it is some kind of video player. You can see here, you can also play your playlist, you can play the web radio, you can play the podcast. There you can have a media library, photo library. So it is a multi-purpose player for the user needs. So these are the plugins. Gmerlin transcoder is there, so you can also transcode between the different container formats like MPG3 to MPG4 and the Matroska and different other many thousands are this formats or the containers will be there. GMIDI monitor with ALSA support, GMIDI monitor with the jack support. So this is nothing but a MIDI monitor. So you can stop the recording the MIDI using this control. So it has got two controls. One is with the ALSA and one is with the jack support. So if you are doing simple recording like me, then you can use the ALSA. If you have got external instruments which are inputting the sound to your sound card, then you have to use the jack support. Good tracker is there. Let us check. GIMP here we know, we all know what is GIMP. GNU solfege, let us check out. Okay, so I think this is some kind of note taking. You can see here. So you can basically do Let us do the test page. Yes, so this is nothing but some note taking application where you can create the notes for the music that you have created, write the notes for the music you have created, name scales, you can see harmonic intervals, melodic intervals, all those things. So there are you can say contemporary applications like this in Ubuntu and Zorin also. So you can check out the Zorin and Ubuntu this Ubuntu Studio, and I think in Zorin also you can install the Ubuntu Studio. So those videos are there on our channel. You can check that out. Now, what is Goat Tracker? So Goat Tracker, what is that? So it must be some tracking of the different instruments and the different multi-tracks or the instrument tracks that are getting input to your sound card or the sound architecture of Linux. You can see it here. So F12 help, if we go, now what we will do is we will just press F12. So that should open up the help for the Goat Tracker. So it is a lightweight tracker, so it will track the different instruments. I think I also not use. So you can see here the instrument number, attack, delay, sustain, release, wave table. So for that you require the inputs also. So input is equipment input ports will be required. So anyway, it will not work right now. You can see here still it is not closing. System monitor. Let us try to close the G clock. We should kill it. Kill the process. Yes, now it is gone. Then Guitarix is there. Let us check out the Guitarix. So it will require the Jack server to run. So we can start the Jack server from here. You can see here and error. So Jack control is not there. So Jack audio connection kit. So you basically this will require all lot of configurations, pre-configurations to be done. So we will check out. So this application is to a large extent provided with help of marvelous FOSS compiler. So Guitarix is there to increase the pre-gain, master gain, increase the boost, bass boost, presence, reverb, clean the audio track. You can also master the volume of the audio track using Guitarix. That's it. I think we will close this. Okay. Close. That's it. Then G tuner is there. The I think G tuner is also not coming up on the screen, so it might be some plugin. Handbrake, we have seen. Handbrake is the transcoder. You can also play the audio video here, and you can change the formats or the containers for the audio video tracks. You can add filters. You can see the different filters are there. You can clean the noise from the audio video tracks. Everything is possible in the Handbrake. Basically I use it for transcoding only. Even VLC also can transcode, but I sometimes use Handbrake. Then the HDA jack retask is there, so you can channelize the different input and output channels using this jack retasking. And the HDSP configuration is there, so it might come up on the screen or it might not come up because it will require the jack to be running in the background, but right now the jack is not configured. So HDSP high definition sound, it won't work configuration. So I think this is the end of the part 2, and in the next part we will check out further more applications that are available in the Debian Multimedia. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.